Hello everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best team that will help you to earn consistent income every single week. So, before we get into that, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have you heard about TeambullDozer? TeambullDozer is a formidable team, a formidable group of people that came together to achieve just one goal. And which goal is that? To make money every single week. Okay? This team consists of experienced people who knows how to make money online. I am actually one of the members of TeambullDozer. I joined TeambullDozer recently, and guess what? I have already received my first payment. TeambullDozer is partnering with a German-based company, okay, called Nuevergold International. Nuevergold International has been in existence for about 17 years now. Okay, it has been in existence for 17 years now. That is to tell you that it is very trusted. Okay, so this is my screenshot of alert which I received from TeambullDozer, from Nuevergold, through the help of TeambullDozer. If you really need to earn passive income online, if you really need to earn passive income on weekly basis, you must join TeambullDozer today. Joining TeambullDozer is one of the best investments which you will ever make in 2020. I assure you this, okay? This is one of the best investments you will ever make in your entire life. Now, how much do you need to register with TeambullDozer? To register with TeambullDozer, you only need a token of 25,000 naira. Okay, this is a very good investment for your future. This is a very good investment for your future. So once you join TeambullDozer, you will receive products worth 3,000 naira. You can use this product or sell it to get your money back. Okay, lest I forget, Nuevergold specialize in selling of products, supplements that is used to cure different diseases. You know the most amazing part of this? You will receive payment alerts from Nuevergold till infinity. The payment is never limited. Okay, it will pass on to your next generation, even to your 10th generation. This is very great. Are you ready to join TeambullDozer today? If you are ready to join TeambullDozer, you will see my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Okay, go to the description of this video. You will see my WhatsApp number. You will see my phone number there. Okay, just contact me. I will give you the necessary information which you need. I will guide you on how to join TeambullDozer and start earning consistent income every single week. Okay, so please, before you go, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.